Okay, today I will let you see how I made a video. So I have to made a video for as agency, a very short video, like uh, the short description or overview video. And this is a script, and I record it, and I make the video in DaVinci Resolve. I open it and create a project. So if I go to the script,
I collect the main keyword. For that keyword, I add a separate screen like that. So this is the idea. So first, this is the first work. I have to separate out in the main basic keywords for that keywords. Okay. So first of all, there is a wait, and then break down the name. So for that, I have to make a scene, and then software, and here software can be mobile application or web application or desktop application. So I have to add it also. And after that, they provide logo with animation and custom loading indicator, then app screenshot, 3D mockups. And lastly, I have to show this summary. Okay, this is the plan. So after planning, I have to go to the DaVinci Resolve and execute the plan.
after a long work, I came up with this. Okay, this is the timeline. It looked like this, and if I go to the composition,
One by one. So this is very little basic composition. And this one also. And it is the breaking part. Like slicing happen to the break text. Okay. And this is very little. And this is the most complex fusion. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is a very complex fusion actually. Okay. And that's it.
so okay, now I play the video and enjoy. Wait. Let me break down the name very soft. Here, soft means software, as you might guess. But additionally, we provide you with a logo, even with animation, a custom loading indicator, app screenshots for publishing, and even 3D mockups with your own app and web designs on device screens. So, in a short, we are a whole package of your planned app or website. Okay, this is it. Let me know in the comment below how it was. See you next time.